I declare summer season is over. What makes me such an expert that I can declare summer is over? Is it the fact that the weather's getting colder? No. Is it the fact that the leaves are changing color? No. Is it the fact that kids are going back to school? No. There is actually one very obvious indicator that summer is over. Dairy Queen has released their fall menu of new flavors. As an ice cream lover, I'm taking on the task of trying all 5 new flavors. There's actually 7 flavors released in the fall menu, but some of them are returning favorites and some of them are new. The 7 flavors are pumpkin pie, cinnamon roll centers, Reese's peanut butter cup pie, Oreo hot cocoa, coffee crisp caramel macchiato, frosted sugar cookie, very cherry chip. I've got 5 flavors in front of me. I do not have very cherry chip because I already reviewed that in my summer menu review. We better give these a try because they're melting fast. I'm going to start with the one that I'm least excited about, which is sugar cookie. Like a vanilla, obviously the Dairy Queen ice cream with chunks of sugar cookie in it. Yeah, it's pretty weak. I don't care for this one too much. I mean, there's chunks of sugar cookie in it, but the flavors are so mild. It's weak. I mean, if I gave this to someone and said, "What does this taste like?" I don't think they would say sugar cookie. Yeah, not my favorite of the flavors. Now, this next one I am really looking forward to. Pumpkin pie. I know there's a lot of pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie haters out there, but I'm not one of them. I'm more than willing to accept all pumpkin flavored items. So this looks like probably maybe cinnamon or graham crackers on the top, whipped cream, ice cream, and pumpkin pie flavor, I guess, in the middle. Let's give it a try. It's a little bit melty. I wish I could have done this in the store. And there's chunks of, I guess, pumpkin pie crust, graham cracker maybe, in there as well. Yeah, graham crackers. It's a good one. Not the strongest pumpkin spice or pumpkin flavor, but if you like the graham crackers, there appears to be a lot in here. Not bad, but I'm actually not thrilled by this one. Now this one I am really thrilled about. Cinnamon roll centers. I love cinnamon buns. I'm hoping this will be good. Lots of chunks of cinnamon bun. They're soft. They're not crunchy cinnamon pieces. Just like a cinnamon roll center. Ooh. Get that cinnamon. I gotta take my glasses off for this one. Oh yeah. If you like cinnamon buns, this is the one for you. Holy cow. Huge pieces of cinnamon bun, like a cinnamon bun centers. They're soft. They're beautiful. That's a winner. Cinnamon roll center. Good one. Next up, Oreo Hot Cocoa. This was another one. It was beautiful when I first got it. A lot of whipped cream on top. A little bit melted, of course. See how chocolatey that is. Oreo pieces. Oreo crumbs, it looks like. See how this one tastes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just that cocoa chocolate, I guess. That's really good. And then if you like the Oreo cookie, this is actually very similar to my ice cream recipe, which may have come out just before this video or may come out just after this video. But I also created a chocolate Oreo ice cream. This actually kind of reminds me of it. I think Dairy Queen stole my idea. Actually, my ice cream probably is better because this one doesn't seem to have the Oreo cream center where my ice cream does. If you like chocolate, you like Oreo, this is a good one. This one's will be right up your alley. Very good. Finally, we have the Coffee Crisp Caramel Macchiato. This is another one of those ones that was beautiful. It had a lot of whipped cream on top. Melted, unfortunately. Looks good though. Let's give it a try. It doesn't taste like coffee crisp. It tastes like peanut butter. That's Reese's. Oh, I think they made a mistake. It's definitely Reese's peanut butter. I recognize that flavor immediately. 1 second. It appears there was a bit of a mix-up at Dairy Queen. They gave me the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie Blizzard instead of the Coffee Crisp Caramel Macchiato that I ordered. So unfortunately, I don't have the Coffee Crisp Caramel Macchiato, but I do have the Reese's Peanut Butter Pie. And if you've seen any of my videos, you know Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are my favorite treat, my favorite dessert. I love them. So this ice cream is amazing. Again, how can you go wrong with Reese's Peanut Butter Cups? The fact that they call it Reese's Peanut Butter Pie, I guess maybe it has some graham cracker or graham crumbs in there, but I don't notice that flavor at all. All I notice is the Reese's Peanut Butter, which is such a strong flavor, but it's a great flavor. So I think they also had a Reese's Peanut Butter cookie dough in the past, which I reviewed in the summer menu, I believe. And I said at that time that the addition of the cookie dough was not needed. It didn't add anything. And that's the same with this one. Adding the graham crumbs or the pie crust to the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups doesn't do anything. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cup flavor is so overwhelming, so good, it just dominates anything else. So you never need to add anything to the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup flavor. So this one's really good, but again, the fact that it's called pie, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't add anything to it. Definitely my favorite one, but that's because it's Reese's. I love Reese's. Okay, just to quickly wrap up, the cinnamon center one, that was definitely my favorite. That was a new flavor. Really loved that one. A new flavor to me, at least. Love that one. The pumpkin pie was very good. I love pumpkin spice flavored items. Pumpkin spice was a little bit weak. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie was my favorite. No surprise. I guess the surprising one was the Oreo Hot Cocoa. That was unusual. Usually I've had a Oreo Blizzard before, vanilla base. This one has the chocolate and the hot cocoa chocolate base ice cream. Really good. And then finally, oh yeah, the weakest, which is no wonder I forgot it. It's very forgetful. The frosted sugar cookie. Very disappointing. I would never order that one. Don't recommend that one. Well, there you go. There's my review of the Dairy Queen Fall Blizzard menu. There were some hits, some misses, as usual. Not every flavor is going to be for everyone. Pick your favorites and enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.